Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Syncro RMM. Syncro RMM is a remote monitoring management tool designed for IT professionals and MSPs, combining RMM with professional services automation or PSA in one platform. What sets it apart is its simple pricing, built-in scripting, ticketing, billing, and remote access, all without needing separate tools. It allows you to monitor devices, run automated maintenance scripts, deploy software, and manage tickets efficiently. The integration with tools like Splashtop and third-party apps make it even more flexible. Plus, Syncro includes detailed reporting and invoicing, which saves a lot of time. For small to mid-sized MSPs looking to reduce tool overload and streamline operations, Syncro RMM offers a powerful all-in-one solution. It's easy to use, cost-effective, and constantly improving based on user feedback, making it worth a serious look before choosing any other RMM. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.